Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best laptops you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The HP Spectre X360 is a premium 2-in-1 convertible laptop, blending style, performance, and versatility. It features an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 16GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD, ideal for productivity and content creation. Its 2.8K OLED touchscreen, with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support, delivers vibrant visuals. The laptop's all-metal design emphasizes a sleek aesthetic, with a strong screen-to-body ratio. Connectivity includes Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. Enhanced security is provided by a fingerprint reader and IR camera. With a 68 watt-hours battery, backlit keyboard, and high-quality webcam, it offers an excellent user experience. The MacBook Air with the M3 chip is a powerful Apple laptop, ideal for work and entertainment. It features 24GB of unified memory, enabling smooth multitasking, and a 512GB SSD for fast storage. The 15 and 13-inch Liquid Retina display offers vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for media consumption and productivity. It includes a 1080p FaceTime HD camera for high-quality video calls, a MagSafe 3 charging port, and 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports for versatile connectivity. The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID enhances security, and the Force Touch trackpad ensures precise control. With up to 18 hours of battery life, it's a capable and stylish device. The Microsoft Surface laptop is a powerful and versatile Windows laptop, ideal for productivity. It features a high-resolution touchscreen display, providing clear visuals and responsive touch. Powered by the 12-core Snapdragon X Elite processor, it handles multitasking efficiently while maintaining energy efficiency. With 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 1TB SSD, it offers ample memory and storage for demanding applications. Running on Windows 11 with Copilot Plus AI integration, it enhances productivity with smart features. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. The lightweight and sleek design, combined with extended battery life, makes it a portable and efficient computing choice for professionals and casual users alike. The Alienware M16 Air 2 is a mid-range gaming laptop that combines performance and functionality for gaming and productivity. It features a QHD Plus display with a 240Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time, providing smooth visuals. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, it handles modern games at high settings and excels in multitasking. With up to 64GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB SSD, both user upgradable, it offers ample power. The design includes customizable RGB lighting, a full HD IR camera, and multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 7. The laptop balances aesthetics, portability, and high performance. The Dell XPS 13 is a premium ultra-portable laptop combining a sleek design with high performance. It features a 13-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen display, boasting 500 nits brightness and 100% sRGB color accuracy. Built from aluminum and carbon fiber, it's lightweight and durable. Powered by an Intel Core i7-1185G7 processor and 16GB LPDDR4X RAM, it handles multitasking smoothly. Storage includes a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD for fast access. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics supports creative tasks and casual gaming. Connectivity options are modern, with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1. The backlit keyboard, precision touchpad, and 720p webcam enhance the user experience, while the fingerprint reader adds security.